So these wisedry ones, which are more expensive than these dry, don't really hold up when you go to try to dry them out and reuse them again. I'm following the instructions, and I put them in the microwave the first time, and they did the same thing. The outside melted, and I tried to put them in the oven, and it melted again. The dry ones are perfectly fine, but not the wisedry. So no, I would not buy these again. Not only are they more expensive, but they don't work as well.